What's going on, everybody? This is Island Hopper TV coming to you from Abu Dhabi. Let's do it.
All right, guys, we are going to be doing a Abu Dhabi travel guide from the most wealthy emirate here in the United Arab Emirates. Most people think about Dubai and overlook Abu Dhabi, but we're going to show you why you shouldn't.
And here we are at the beach called Karinch, right in downtown Abu Dhabi. If you look behind me, you can see high rises, but look how clear this water is.
And if I'm to be honest with you, I would say the beaches in Abu Dhabi are actually better than the ones in Dubai.
So you can go to the beach that we were just at, but this family beach right here, you literally have to be a family.
So that means if you're by yourself or if you're with a group of friends, you're not allowed to go to that beach because it's literally a family beach. So after stopping by the beach, we're actually headed over towards the Emirates Palace.
All right, guys, here we are at the Emirates Palace. It's a 7-star hotel. Let's go take a look.
On the outside, this place looks like a palace, and on the inside, it looks like a palace. So if you do come here and you get a room, it probably indicates that you got some big money. But you can still come here even if you don't have a room, walk around and marvel at the architecture, or stop by one of the many restaurants.
I think these palm trees are real fake.
All right, I'll admit that's a lame joke, but I did see the palm trees in there and I had to go up and touch them to see if they were real or fake. Turns out they're fake. But there is absolutely no doubt this Emirates Palace is a special hotel, so take note. Now we're going to see if we can get some views 360 degrees of Abu Dhabi.
And we're at the Etihad Towers. We're going to see if we can go up top and get a nice view of the palace and all of Abu Dhabi.
I will admit, I do enjoy going to the top of these tall buildings and getting nice views. Going up there, having some dessert, like a piece of chocolate or a tea, coffee, whatever it is that you like, or a beer. I've just found that to be a really nice thing to do when you visit Abu Dhabi or Dubai, mostly because it's indoors, it's a great view, and it's relaxing, especially in the afternoon.
Yeah, so we're on the 74th floor, super high up here, but they have a restaurant, and if you're a Hilton Honors member, you actually get some perks, 10% off. But check out these guys doing the window cleaning.
And you know, someone's got to clean the windows, and these guys do a great job, and they're super brave. Anyways, we're headed over to the mosque. This place is like the modern Taj Mahal, in my opinion. You step in there and you're going to be like, whoa. I mean, this place is spectacular. You do need a ticket before you can go in there. You can go on the website and get it. It's actually free. It's just basically you booking your slot and time to go. The official entrance is actually underground and air conditioned, so that's a good thing.
And here we are at the Grand Mosque in Abu Dhabi. Let's go take a look.
And there is a bit of a dress code. I would encourage you to go on their website to make sure you're in compliance with that. Ladies, you should cover your head when you're there. If not, I do believe they allow you to rent or they offer you a garment to put over your head. You're not allowed in without that. And the reason is because it's a religious place. You want to be respectful of the religion when you're there, so everyone will be asked to be respectful when taking pictures and follow the rules. Yeah, this place really does go all out with the inlay in the marble, the actual carving of the marble. I've been to the Taj Mahal and I've been here, and I will say this place is spectacular, and it's probably actually better than the Taj Mahal because it's modern. The Taj Mahal definitely has more historical relevance, but this place is amazing.
They have a free taxi at the end.
All right, well, after checking out that beautiful mosque, Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque, what do you guys say we go have some fun over at Ferrari World and then head over to Warner Brothers World? Ferrari World's actually home to the world's fastest roller coaster. Go figure, it's here at Ferrari.
All right, we've made it to Ferrari World. We're going to go inside here and ride some rides. I hope you guys are ready for some really exciting rides here.
So the ticket costs 345 AED, that's 93 bucks, but you get 3 parks out of 1 ticket if you go in 2 days.
Ready to do NASCAR. Big brain, big head, you know me. Big mouth. Yeah, these things, they go really fast. So if you get a chance to do this ride when you come here, do it. But it does cost about 40 AED per person.
They got some serious roller coasters here. Check out this one, Flying Aces. And as I told you, the world's fastest roller coaster is right here. This is Formula Rossa.
All right, guys, we are at the world's largest theme park, Warner Brothers in Abu Dhabi. Let's do it.
I should clarify, it's the world's largest indoor theme park. And we got the 3-park pass. Well, this was actually a 2-park pass that we used, Warner Brothers and Ferrari. So it was all for 93 bucks per person for the 2 parks. But we're going to show you around Cartoon World here and show you some of the roller coasters, do some rides.
That was a great ride. I would do it again. Yeah, when you come out here, you better watch out for the mammoths.
Yeah, so being that it's all indoors, it's a very pleasant climate. You can walk around, hang out, check out all the rides, exhibits, all that stuff, and not have to worry about working up a big sweat. And on our third day, we decided to get a slow start, but we got some breakfast, and then let's show you guys around this hotel room real quick right in the downtown area. This is a typical accommodation for around $120 per night. But now let's go check out the Louvre Museum.
So everything you see inside of the Louvre is actually an authentic piece.
This is truly a world-class art exhibit, and you probably don't want to miss it. Yeah, you're probably going to want to schedule around 4 to 5 hours to walk around this place. It's quite spectacular. But after that, we ended up heading to a convention which was going on for the International Hunting and Equestrian Exhibition.
My brother Abdullah here, he hooks it up when he comes to the expo. You guys got to check out these vehicles. They're the Qatari tanks. Delicious food, thanks to our friends over here at Al Watan Garage.
Thank will come to my shop.
Yeah, thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
And now we are at Yas Island waterfront. We're gonna walk around and see what it looks like down here.
Yas Island is where most of the theme parks are and a lot of the entertainment activities, including Etihad Arena. So if you're looking for a place to stay where the entertainment is, check out Yas Island.
So here we are at Etihad Arena, named after Etihad Airlines. The cool thing about standing right here is I can actually feel the air conditioning from inside the building coming outside.
All right, guys, thanks for watching this episode of Abu Dhabi from the United Arab Emirates. We will see you on the next one.